Look guys, what is up? I'm Sport Gamer here, and I haven't been making one of these tutorials in a long time, for 1 week I think, and that's because I've had loading diary, I've had the game jam, or however you say tag, and I've had school and that stuff, but now I will make one because now I'm not making one of these at all. So let's see. Okay, let's start. So what I want to do from the start is fix the error and just maybe take 4 minutes to go around my code. And I found this here in the game object. Yeah, we need to make them. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna get you guys. So, when you make the game object, like basically, if you make a game object block extends game object, so this game object, then you have this constructor, but they are called constructors, and there's a float x and a float y, then object ID. So we were not setting the float x to the x that we, the coder or programmer, is giving them the x. So we were just not setting it to anything. So that's why it was in the top corner, because that's where y is nil and x is nil. That's why they were there. And that would basically fix that. So now what we want to do, sorry, you guys should still have it there, but I deleted it. Or actually, I also have it there. Or actually, I have that other code there, but don't care about that. That was just a test. So I'll do the int. I think it was 800. And then I plus 32. And then just I. Actually, x. Let's do x. That's better. It's for x coordinates. Maybe that's a bit better. Oops. Here. No, wait. Fuck. Okay. There. And then x. X. Like that. Okay. Now what we should have is this. Okay, so wait. Maybe we should make that a bit more. 900. Or 858. No, 8. That's great. I am like, the thing is, I'm bigger. You know, my name is Stufffff Gamer. That comes from me being a sport fan. I love my best is football, in America soccer, and then comes hockey. And it's like, I am from Finland, if you don't know that. And today comes Latvia, so I'll be fast with this video. Okay. Okay, so we're adding the object, and then we're looping through the x coordinate, so that we can, in 850, what should I say? Okay, so our screen here is like 800, a bit more, and or actually it's 800, and then the blocks are 32, so we're looping through the 800, we made it 850, so that it would be a bit longer than the screen. And then every time we'll just, so it's like 850 divided by 32. That's how many blocks there would be here. 850 divided by 32, I think. Yeah. I'm really sick right now, but yeah, I don't want to take baths. So that's that. Shouldn't we? Shouldn't we do this? I should show you guys this game. If you can run it right that, like that, make that. So this is one of the games. This is kind of how the game will look, but much better. Much better. Yeah, and some of these things I have learned from real touch HTML, but not as at all. Like the basic things I've learned, like the game object and that stuff. But after that, nothing. That's just me. My Java things. So here we have something. Yay! And then you go here, and then you're pretty much dead. Yeah, that's the troll there. Okay. But let's not go to that. I'll maybe work on that a bit. Now we're gonna add to the objects. I think, what should we do? A player. Oh, yeah, we're running here 6 minutes. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Someone was saying that I was copying all my code. I'm not copying all my code. I just learned all my code, and then the run method, that's what I copied. That's why it took so long. You can see that, I think, but nothing else I've copied. That's just from my head, basically. But I've learned it from someone else, kind of. I've learned from the Shadow and Milton Channel, and I have two different ways to make games. Sometimes I make with the real touch, and sometimes I make with Shadow. And when I make with the real touch, I kind of add that channel to it, like when I make the game. So yeah, that's hard to understand, but I'll show you guys maybe. Shader is really good, I think, and real touch is also. So yeah. Okay, so X and Y. Sorry, X and Y. So that's basically this. And then 32 by 30. I'm playing here. The width 32, maybe 96. We'll see. Yeah, that's that. And then let's do 3. Just for now, I'm gonna make a play. We're gonna make a player, but yeah. Also, the troll game isn't at all finished. I've just worked on it like 4 days, I think. No, not even 4. Less. Well, I didn't work the full days. I worked like maybe 1 full day or 2 full days right now on that game, but I haven't touched much yet. Not wet. Okay, G dot fill rect. Where should we do that? We should do that at X. That's our X. Yeah. 32 by 32. No, what the heck am I doing here? And now again, 96. Actually, I might do width and height, because I'm just doing this roll all the time, so yeah. fuck it. Oops. Equals. I'm not sure how many tutorials I'm gonna make. Maybe like 30, 20 maybe 30, something like that. We'll see. Maybe, no one has ever made like multiplayer, and I kind of know how to. So should I make this multiplayer? I have a tutorial of multiplayer, but I couldn't finish it. So yeah. And this is the clip errors. Okay, equals nil. Still. Oh, that's why it isn't in the class. Okay, that's why. Now I understand. Width equals 32. And height equals 6496. That's that. And just we get out of here with that if we change that. What's that height here? And yeah, I should really show you guys how to that nothing happens because we're gonna to player. Just one player. In the troll game that I showed you guys, I one time made here. I always get some weird things in my games sometimes. But actually, this thing is pretty awesome stream game. Because I added the Twitch SDK, but I didn't code it so that it would work for real. Like, I added a Twitch SDK, so you could almost stream that game. But I'm gonna add it to this game. If I learn, then I'm gonna add a Twitch SDK. What am I saying? SDK with you guys to this game, and that means you can just like stream this game, and that would be pretty cool. For real. Yeah, that would be pretty cool. So well, you could still stream it, but it would have in itself free streaming. Be pretty awesome. So new player. Yeah, control game. One time I added here in the for loop so that it made like lots of players. But of course it's not, the X is not 32, so it had also some problems that were really weird, but yeah. Okay, so add a new player. So import player and add argument. And we're gonna put the player at 100 by 100, I think. That's my favorite position of everything. And then object player, because we should already have it there. If you don't have it, then just add player there. Okay. Oh, we made it black. Am I so dumb that I make it black? Come on. At least make it white. Oh, just blue, because I like the blue. Like the yeah, that's the player. There we get it. There we get it. There we got it. I think that's that for this tutorial. That's that for this tutorial. Bye bye, guys. I mean, bye bye, guys.